When we revisit our history, over the 10 years Cultural Revolution, they destroyed many things, destroyed the material cultural environment, but they will be able to revitalize the majority of the Tibetan society from the damage of the Cultural Revolution. But I think the result of this program will make the Tibet won't be able to revitalize the culture in the future. Those generations can't speak and can't practice their language and culture, and also they don't know their religion. And the more seriously, they completely cut off from the sense of the home culture. That means they totally cut off from the home village cultural sense and from the psychological sense. Because they're losing the ability of using the mother tongue to describe what they think, what they see. They already shifted mindset to the Mandarin context. They have a more Mandarin cultural context in their mind than their mother tongue, their home context. So that's why they still try to speak Tibet, but it's not there. When they speak in Mandarin, Chinese Mandarin, the school makes them much more confidence to communicating with the Chinese Mandarin. Clearly, parents has no choice whether they can send their kids to school or not. There's no any other alternative education system available there besides the boarding preschool first. Second, it's Chinese authority system intimidating them, parents, to make no choice. They say, if you don't send your kids to the boarding preschool, then later your kids won't be able to enroll the grade 1. That means block entire education for their life. They're going to block your information from the government system. That's going to stop you receive any benefits from government system. So more seriously, you say, okay, if you against the school education policy, going to put you in jail. Because boarding preschool is a part of a compulsory education. So no one can escape it. Under this kind of a situation, parents have no choice. And also, parents have no choice just letting the Chinese authority system violate the child's right